Okay. So for the sake of the continuation in our SEO content writing in the internship, we've learned so much using the Yoast SEO. And briefly, I want to show us how to take care of the red signal on the inclusive language. Okay, so anytime you see that red signal on the inclusive language, you'll know how to take care of it. Just a minute. Okay, so whenever you are on your Yoast SEO and you see this red signal on the inclusive language, what you need to do is to click here, and then it will take you to the message. All right, to take you to the message. The same thing too if you see a red signal on any of the other SEO or readability. But now it's giving us the message and it says, be careful when using Oriental as it is potentially harmful unless you are referring to objects or animals. Consider using an alternative such as Asian. When possible, be more specific. For example, East Asian and all of that. So the idea of this inclusive language is because right now there are so many changes all over the world. For example, if you are doing a an article on marriage, for example, it doesn't want you to just say husband or wife or something because of the LBQT matters all over the world. So there's so many words now that are being referred to as inclusive language. They want you not to talk one word and leave another. So because of that, this has been included into the Yoast SEO. Okay, but now let's see where the word is. You probably use the word Oriental. So whenever you see this icon, you will see it too on your SEO and readability and all of that. Whenever you see it, you can actually click on it, and then you move up into your article. And that's this purple color that it showed you on the eye signal. Let's go back there. This purple color, you would see it up inside your article. So let's check that wherever that purple color is. All right, here we are. So you can see this purple highlights here. So this is where the issue is, and this is what we want to deal with in the write-up. So that means that probably the name of the hotel is Oriental, but there's nothing we can do to change the name of the hotel. Let's see, maybe it's just something that was referred to. Let's read it. It says, Oriental Hotel provides an elegant and secure environment for both business and leisure travelers. So I thought that maybe this is the name of the hotel, but that means it's just referring to, it's just using that word to qualify the hotel. So if it is not the name of the hotel, then you can change that word, okay, and look for another word that will not reflect Oriental. There are many words that it could bring out under inclusive language. So if it is not the name of the hotel, then you can look for another word that will be just fine for Oriental. If it is the name of the hotel and you can't actually change it, then you may leave it like that. But if you can also change the hotel outright, or maybe whatever you are writing on, for this article, we are writing on the best hotels. So if it is not the name of the hotel, then you can use another word to describe what you're saying. If it is the name of the hotel, if you can change the hotel so that it doesn't bring up that red signal. If you cannot change it, then you may just leave it, okay? You may just ignore it and know that there's nothing wrong with your article. It's just the name of the hotel that it is flagging. So since this is not the name of the hotel, it's just like something to qualify the hotel, then we can come here and say, maybe just look for a better word, say a wonderful hotel. okay, that provides an elegant and secure environment. Let's take care of that, okay? All right. All right, so it is a wonderful hotel. My Grammarly is correcting that for me. It is a wonderful hotel providing an elegant. Here is still, it's still working on the grammar for me. Okay, let's read it now. It says it is a wonderful hotel providing an elegant and secure environment for business and leisure travelers. Its prime location, luxurious facilities, and attention to detail make it stand out in Lagos. So, with that done, let's go back and see if our error has been taken care of. We can save the draft and refresh the page and then try to see where if our error has been taken care of. Okay, so let's all right. Okay, so it's still flagging an error, so probably there's something else. So let's click again. Let's click again. Oriental, let's see. Maybe it's the network here now. Let's go back again to the page and see if there's any other word that is Oriental that we haven't taken care of. So it's not showing us any other word. So maybe it's a network. Let's see. It's Baker. It's Baker. Excuse me. All right, so I'm not seeing any other word there. I want to believe it's a network because it's not flagging any other word. And the word Oriental has been removed. So I'm sure it's a network matter now. So at times I'll need to go off and come back so that it's not network. Okay, so I'm going to log out for network issues and come back and be sure that the inclusive language, because we changed it on the I think it was which of the hotel, yeah, we changed it here. Yeah, I think was number 9. Yeah, we changed it here. So, and there's no more word Oriental here. And it's not flagging any other word Oriental. So that's why I think it is a network matter. So I will log out and come back and let you know that inclusive language flag has been, taken care of. Okay, so I'll be back with us. Okay, so we were trying to take care of the inclusive language, and we clicked on it, and it showed us one of the words, and then we refreshed the page and made sure that it was not a network issue, and yet it's still giving us this inclusive language, because we went there, we clicked there, and then we opened it up. This way, when you click on this, it should show you where the word is. As you scroll up on your page, you should see a purple line showing, which is what we did initially, and it showed us the a line where we had the word Oriental, but now it's not showing us. So it may be a glitch in the Yoast SEO. Maybe it needs to be updated. If you have done that and it's still doing that, then another trick is to use the uh, Control plus F key, which is to find a particular word that you may be looking for. So you scroll to the top of the document, and you press down your Control key, and letter F. Control key and letter F, and you would see a bar pop up here. You can type the word, and then you can see it has like two words. So you can either scroll up or down. You click since we are up in the top of the document, then you click the down arrow. That's the first word, which is part of the message, so it can't be that one. Then we take on the next one, and then it brings out for us a hidden word here. So this is the word that has been giving us that issue, and it's under this hotel, Federal Palace Hotel and Casino. Yes, that was where we changed the first word. Yeah, and then this is the hidden word here. So let's try to remove that now and see. It says it doesn't want us to use the word Oriental. So we're looking for another word. So we can say this hotel, or this great hotel. We can look out for several other words after this. The important thing first is to remove that red highlight at the inclusive word. So let's say this great hotel offers stylish rooms with scenic views. All right, so let's see if, wow, that's it. So we can see the inclusive language is now giving us a green. So I hope you understood what we did. The word didn't go, the inclusive language was still showing a red, and then we use the final result, which is Control key plus F, and then it brought out the find bar. So we now type the word Oriental as the word we are looking for. Make sure that you go to the beginning of the document to do the Control plus F to find the particular word, and then it brought up two instances of the word, and you can use this up and down arrow to look for the word. So we eventually found the word, and so our inclusive language is now giving us a green sign, and then we can now close this. And that's how we were able to work using the Yoast SEO and make sure that the readability is fine and also the inclusive language is fine. All right. Thank you. And that will be all.